Hello everyone. In this video, I will be using ALEKS to demonstrate how can you solve wording a problem involving mixture problems to convert it to linear functions, and then you can use whether substitution, the table method, or the elimination method. So let's read the question together. At the City Museum, child admission is $5.2 and adult admission is $9.10. On Friday, 144 tickets were sold for total sales of $1,088.10. Now he's asking you, how many child tickets were sold that day? So whenever you are having such a question, whether you can do the table for the mixture or you can start setting variables, and with setting the variables, you will be able to convert it to linear function and solve these two equations with these two unknowns, and then you will be having the child tickets and the adult tickets. So let's now step by step show you how can you solve such a question. First of all, know that you are having here your calculator, your explanation, and here you can have and access to an example and to your message center. Also, here if you would like to clear everything, undo, and here if you would like to take an overview of how can you enter a number, how can you use the calculator, and other things here. So whenever you forget anything about the tools, you can go back to the tutorial. Now let's focus on how to solve this question on ALEKS. I will be using the Windows Int to explain this for you. So let's see now, and let's focus on how can we solve such a question. I'm having an information about the child admission, about the adult admission, and he is giving you the price per one ticket. And then he gives you the total number of tickets. Also, what he did here for you is that he gave you the total sales. That means we need one equation for the number of tickets, and this should be the total number of tickets, and the other equation will be for the total sales. And to have an equation, we need to set variables. So let's have the number of child tickets to be X, the number of adult tickets to be Y. That means if I added the number of child tickets to the number of adult tickets, I will be having a total of 144. Now let's go to the sales. He gave you the price per one ticket. So let's focus on the total sales now. If I'm having one ticket of the child to be 5.2, that means it should be 5.2x. Now, because it is total, that means plus 9.10y. And this is for the adults, with a total of 1,088.10. And now you are having two choices, whether you solve it as a system of equation or whether you use your table method as we learned in the mixture problems. So because you are exposed already to solve system of equations, so you can use the substitution method or any of the methods you used previously. You can put y alone, so this will leave you with 144 minus x. And let's go to equation 2. You will be putting your y, 5.2x plus 9.10. 144 minus x is equal 1088.10. And now all what you need to do is your distributive property simplification of like terms. So at the end, you will be having 5.2x plus, if you did this term, it will be 1310.4 minus 9.10x equal 1088.10. Now, what do you have here is that you are having like terms. Take it with its sign, and you can move this number to the other side. So after moving and after simplification of the like terms, you will be having simply your number of tickets for the child admission. It's all about 57. And if you substitute it for the adult, you will be having 87. Now let's go and see what Alex wants you to do. He just wants you to put the number of child tickets. So you will just put 5 and 7. That's it. When you are done, press on a check. And that's the end of this question. If you have any other question, drop me a comment down. Thank you so much.